Hi guys, this is Raj from Mitanshi Technologies, and today we are going to look at how to create collection sliders in Shopify. The purpose of adding a collection slider is that it displays multiple product collections all at once in a limited space, so the customer can view the collections easily. There are two ways to add a collection slider in Shopify. First is by installing a Shopify Sections app. In this case, we will install an app called imitate Sections Pro, which is made by Mitanshi. And the second method is by Shopify Theme Editor. Let's look at both the methods one by one. So the first method is by installing a Shopify Sections app. It is the most easiest and simplest way of adding a slider in Shopify, and you don't even need to know how to code. So click on Apps and search for, here it is. Install this app. The app is now installed and this is how it will look on your screen. Click on Browse Sections and search for Collection Slider. I'll choose this one and I will click on Get for Free. This is a free slider, so that's why I was able to get it free. Now I'll just click on Apply to Theme and I'll choose the theme on which this slider will be implemented. It's added. Now if I will open my theme, here is my theme. I'll click on Add Section. I'll search for Mitanshi Collection Slider 2. I'll scroll down. Now I just have to add the collections. I'll click on Select. The first collection is added. Now for the second one. Now all the collections have been added. I'll click on Save. Now if I will view my store, and here is our slider. If I click on this button, it will slide like this, so it's working fine. So this is how you can add a slider using a Shopify Sections app. The second method is by using a Shopify Theme Editor. For that, click on Online Store. Before I show you this method, let me clarify that this method will not work on all Shopify themes. It will only work on those themes that support collection sliders. So for this purpose, I have added a new theme called Horizon. I'll click on Customize. I'll click on Add Section and I'll search Collection List Carousel. Here it is. I will add the collections. I'll click on Save. The collections have been added. Now if I will view the store, here I have a slider and I can easily navigate through the products. So this is how we can add a slider using the Shopify Theme Editor. So to conclude, we saw two ways of adding a slider in Shopify, using an app called imitate Sections Pro and second by Shopify Theme Editor. I hope both the concepts are clear to you. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will be back with more Shopify content. Till then, take care and I will see you very soon.